language. We read the story of the ugly duckling, which is a story about a dog that was different from his siblings. It was born in a place where other animals bullied about his qualities. He separated from his family, and wherever he went, he was not accepted. One day he realized he wanted to be loved by someone, and the year passed, and he grew up, becoming a big dog. But he wanted to be as the other dogs, white dogs. And at the end of the story, he realized that he has never been a dog. He actually was an elegant swan.
Okay, the structures. We found a lot of sentences with past perfect, passive voice with modal verb, conditionals, and simple past. The past perfect is the structure is the subject was the auxiliary had was the verb in past participle. Okay, some example is after he had on the more 2 days, there came 2 wild geese or rather goslings, for they hadn't been out of the enclave. Another example is the duckling had never seen any like them before. With passive voice is different because the object received the action. The structure is the object plus the verb. It depends, but if is in present, the auxiliary is
Verb be.
the verb be. In past, it was or were. Some examples are the poor duckling was driven about by everyone. The hen had very short legs, so she called cheeky short legs.
No, she was called, read it correctly.
She was called cheeky short legs. The last example is in the morning the strange visitor was discovered. Okay. We found an example with passive voice with modal verb. The modal verb is can, will, or might. The structure is the subject plus the modal plus the auxiliary be plus the verb in past participle. An example is she can be recognized but by man and it's on reported speech. We found one example. His mother said she wished he had never been born. We also we can see the verbs in past and the verb past perfect. Mixed conditional. It's mixed conditional because the first part of the sentence is in second conditional and the other part is in the interconditional. So her mistress loved her as if she had been her own child. In simple past is the action that someone took. Some examples are the dogs picked him, the chickens beat him, and the girl who fed the poultry kicked him with her feet.
Another example is another lake. It froze so hard that the ice in the water crackled as he moved, and the duckling had to paddle with his legs. Another one of simple past is the woman screamed and struck at him with the tongue. The children laughed and screamed and tumbled over each other in the efforts to catch him, but luckily he escaped.
Vocabulary: high stack is stack with a chronicle writage that is different. Meadow, grassland. A burdock is a plant that sticks on the cloth. And spiteful is a full of malice or malicious. Poultry is a domestic bird used for meat and eggs. Gosling is a foolish. Flock is a number of animals that of one kind that keep together. Fancies, imagination or fantasy. A hen, the female of a domestic fowl. Flutter is to flap very rapidly. And lark are birds that are similar but are not from the family. Chatter is to talk, but having a talk that is not important. And eel is horrible. No, it's violent about longing.
Look at the screen, you have it there. Shake like fish.
Shake like fish, but shake like fish with a cellar elongate body of poorly developed spines to problem spirals. Conclusion.
And in conclusion, the story written by Hans Christian Andersen is very reflective. The Ugly Duckling has a lot of very strong messages. My team and I agree that one of the things we learned in the story is that people should never give up on following their passions and finding their place in society, because we are capable of doing so many things, no matter what other people think. Another lesson we learned, and the most important, is that we shouldn't discriminate on other people, judging them by their physical appearance, because we affect the people with our bullying.
Okay, very good.